Ants and roaches can squeeze through tiny cracks and crevices. Combat gels can be used in those hard-to-reach areas, like where pipes enter through the wall, and tiny cracks outside the home. To ants and roaches, combat gels appear as food and water. Combat's highly effective killing bait is spread when ants and roaches bring it back to the nest, killing at the source. Whether it's ants or roaches, you have options. Choose the combat gel that's right for you. Our same great gel formula is also available in killing bait strips, which are discreet, easy to use, and leave no mess. Combat gels. Kill one, destroy them all.